Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we have a beginner's guide on how to order on Superbuy. Ordering from Superbuy is super easy. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your account. And from here, you can use the search bar at the top of the site to find what you're looking for. And let's say you're shopping for shoes. Just type shoes in the search bar to see available options. And when you click on a product, you will be able to see and check out all the details. From here, you'll see their rating, sizes, and available colors. Pick the ones you want, and then you've got two options. You can either add it to your cart if you plan on buying more items, or just hit buy now if you're ready to check out right away. At checkout, you can review your order summary, pick any optional services if you want, and select your destination country. Once done, you can go ahead and click submit. From here, you can choose your payment method. Now, Superbuy supports payment methods like bank transfers, Apple Pay, credit cards, and even crypto. Just pick whichever method works best for you. Once you've chosen your payment method, you just have to choose your shipping address, confirm everything, and make the payment. Once done, your order will be marked as in transit, and you can track it directly through your Superbuy account until it arrives. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks!